Hey IPSY, I'm celebrity makeup artist Andrea and today I'm so excited to be teaching you everything you need to know about applying pencil eyeliner. I'm going to show you how you can use one size gel liner in Busty Brown to create two different looks. One of the things that I recommend is applying your favorite eyeshadow or just a little bit of translucent powder and just dust it on top of your eyelid, and this will allow the eyeliner to stay as long as possible. So everyone has different shaped eyes. So for example, I have really hooded eyes, so there's not that much space in this area. Therefore, I really love to focus the liner on the outer corner and create a little mini flick to really give the illusion and elongate my eyes. So for me, I like to start in the middle with light pressure as close to the lash line as I can and work my way out to the end. So once you get to the end, just look straight in the mirror and create that little flick. What I like to do is just follow at the end of the eye as a guide and just make a little bit of a dot so it can really complement your true eye. And then I like to take the liner and just connect the dots. So now you have a little mini flick and you see the difference, my eyes just being uplifted immediately, the magic of makeup. So I wouldn't worry about having such a defined look because I'm gonna show you how to clean it up. So for this part, you only need two items, a pointy Q-tip of your choice and micellar water or your favorite makeup remover. So you wanna saturate your Q-tip, and then you wanna take the pointy part, just use the bottom of your eye as a guide again, and slightly drag with a little pressure straight across. And immediately there's that clean line. And if you also want to clean up on top, take the same Q-tip and lightly drag and press to create that perfect line. And there you go, you get the perfect wing liner with just a Q-tip. If you'd like to take this look to a nighttime look, let me show you the easy steps to transition this liner into a smoky liner. So you'll need a dome-shaped eyeshadow brush and your favorite eyeshadow. Today I'll be using the One Size Visionary palette and I'll be working with colors Turban Legend and Brownie. So what I'm going to be doing first is applying the liner again anywhere I want to smoke it out to reactivate so it's a little bit more blendable. So if you are starting from scratch, don't worry, you can just do these steps and follow along. So I'm going to be working on top of the liner just to reactivate it and make it more blendable, and I'm also going to take it on the waterline on the bottom until midway, just to create a more sultry, sexy look. For this part, you'll be wanting to work super fast because the eyeliner is waterproof. So you want to take a little bit of Turban Legend, which is the black color, and stipple it at the base of the liner, just above your eyelashes, and work your way to the edges in circular little motions, buffing the edges out. I'm also going to take this to the bottom. And then with the brownie color, which is that gorgeous brown, I'm going to be working on the edges and making this a transition color so it looks seamless and effortless, and just blending it out. The pressure is very light in little circular motions. And voila! To finish off this look, I'm going to apply 2 coats of mascara. And then you can go ahead if you want to even take it to the next step and make this look more luscious. Apply it on the bottom lashes as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use pencil eyeliner in 2 different ways. Let us know in the comments below if you preferred a defined look or if you prefer a smoked out look. If you'd like to see more of me, my work, and some more tips and tricks, follow me on my Instagram page at Andrea_Tiller, and I'll see you there. Bye guys!